Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Hak arpau teregunai tong araja arpun rio dagi spangot ki rio pat ba bakentop nadu ki samla pule ki nong hikai nolor ki nong trei hakikam baper ki la 1 poi had Don Bosco Square Shillong ban penlong ye ka jinga ki ka bajai jai ka daw jong ka jinga ki ka dei ban ai jing kersan ye ka cockroach Janata Party CJP ka badang penlong ye ka jinga ki ha Jantar Mantar Delhi persya ye ka Sarkar India. Habaya kran bar ki kat to kat ni ki bawan ban yashim banta ki la pen pau ka jing sngo khia halor ka jing le ka sarkar India ya ki baya khi na ka banta ka hak ringkat ka jing dawa bo menteri ka sarkar India o bade khmi ka tanat pule puthi udharmendra pradhan bo udai ban hyar suki no kumban sukdo badaki hajar ngot kilai lom hajantar mantar ha Delhi hagje khi ka CJP balakar shan dagi samla pule bat usonam wangchok urio traimon ngobha ki ba persha ya ka jinglak tu ki jingkli examen NEET need bat kiwe pat ki man.
Actually, today we came here just to show our support to the CJP team and especially to the Sonam Wangchuk sir. No? As we heard for so many days, he was in hunger strike for the justice of the students. As we came to know that so many children, so many students, they killed themselves because of the leakage of the papers, no? The exam paper. It is a very sad to hear that our society is still quiet, our ministers are still quiet. Especially my message to the Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, please do the resignation. Kata kan baya kata abhamo yangi bahadu manta bale ki sarkar ki asngap mo, especially Narendra Modi. Kata phau kata ki hajaru ti khanna laya don protest kata sni hapo Delhi Jantar Mantar bale hadu manta ki asngap. Kadai tharai ki ye makiru ki ale bakla namar kata tharai amjukwa ahire ban yarab ye students.
We're all here in solidarity with students who have raised some important concerns regarding the lapses and gaps in the education system in India. And there has been protests, as you know, and hunger strike in Delhi. And we're in solidarity with the hunger strikers and with students across India whose futures depend on the education system. And education is such an issue that is important for many reasons. It reflects the status of democracy in the country. It reflects the status of class structures and minority rights. And it's something also that concerns every section of society across, divisions. So it's a very, very central issue. And we're, as you can see, with the amazing turnout on such short notice, it's a cause that really affects and is important for everyone here. No, there is no organization. This is a people's issue. This is everyone who is concerned about the problems that we are facing who is turned out here. In fact, I don't know majority of the people who are here, and vice versa, I think, so yeah.
Actually, we want to stand together with our state to protest against the education system of our country, and also for the state of Meghalaya. As we know that Meghalaya was previously known as for the toppest education system, but now as we see, it is going down. It is more worse than Bihar. So we really support Sonam, and we want the safety of Sir Sonam and also the safety of those people who are there present in Jantar Mantar. So this is my regards. So I wish we will success in whatever we are taking actions. Yeah, if I get opportunity, surely I will go to support the team. Yeah, no, government have not supporting. Instead of supporting, they are taking some other actions against the team, against the party, against the people standing there asking for the demand for education system to improve. Instead of supporting, they are taking action against them. So we are really against for the system that we have in our country.
The protest is against the NEET paper leak. I'm somebody who has written NEET by myself. I've written NEET PG. So I know how difficult it is to go through that exams. And it's paper leak, and the solution for that is just re-examination, and I don't think that's fair. So I think someone should be accountable for this.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya